Welcome to PaleriderTV. Yeah, what's going on this morning? Got a video sent to me from Daniel Adame, Dashcam video. And throughout my trucking career, I always was never fond of the inconsiderate trucker that cares about themselves, don't care about anybody else driving around them or with them or behind them, in front of them, whatever. It's all about themselves. I used to call those super truckers. Well, this is an inconsiderate super trucker that he caught on dash cam. And I got the video right here, and we're going to go over it. About 3 minutes. So hang in there. There's no audio. So I'll be commenting during this. So here we go. Here we go. All right, this is at the Pilot, Midland, Texas. We've all been there before. Usually it's a cluster, you know what? So here we go. You see that truck in front of them turning. There's a red light up there at the intersection. So he's turning. The light is, can't tell what the light is right now, but this guy, now you can see to the left, they're stopping for the light. This guy says, no, I'm going to go ahead and turn out here and block the whole intersection. Yeah, why don't you sit at the light and make sure it was clear to the left before you went ahead and went for it? I always tried to wait. I know made people behind me mad, but I'd wait at an intersection until it was clear so I don't get caught out there in the middle and block like this super trucker or whatever is doing right here. Now, when the other lights or the other lanes turn, they're going to have a hard time getting around. And there we go. See, they got to go out in the other lane to just get around them. And if you want to make a left turn and go straight ahead, like this pickup truck's getting ready to do, he's got to go all the way around just to make his left turn. Now, how safe is that? Oh, watch out! Here comes a Swift. That's a good turn there, Swift. Good turn. So the light is still red for them, and he's still got mostly the intersection blocked. I think he's got one lane that they don't have blocked. But I don't know if that's a short light, long light, or what is going on right there with that. Did he really have to go out there and block the intersection? Couldn't he just wait it here at the intersection where Daniel is sitting and wait on his light to turn green and continue? I don't know. But yeah, I don't. I always try to not get in that situation. Sometimes it can't be helped, but in this case, it looks like it could have been helped. So we're getting ready light's getting ready to turn green there in a few minutes, few seconds. I appreciate Daniel sending this to me. I've been trying to there it goes. That light is green now. They're getting ready to go. Cars behind them are trying to go. And that's the end of it. That's the end of it right there. I appreciate Daniel sending that to me. I've been trying to get people to send me footage of their dash cam. If they have any incidents on their dash cam, send them to me, and we will feature them on this channel. Feature them on this channel. Email is payrider50@gmail.com. Now it's a big video file. You might have to send it Google Drive. That's how Daniel sent me that one, but I get it. It comes to my email, and I can download it and feature it. So send me some dash cam footage. Would highly appreciate it. You will get credit. I will give credit where credit is due. Well, I think that's it. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this situation. You ever have anything happen like that to you? So let me know. Appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe.